In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Google Meet with Slack. If you use Slack to communicate throughout the day and rely on Google Meet for video calls, connecting the two can save you time and make meetings much easier to launch. Instead of opening extra tabs and manually pasting meeting links into a conversation, you can create a Google Meet link directly inside Slack with a simple command. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to install the app, authorize your Google account, and start a Meet call from a Slack conversation. To begin, open Slack either in the desktop app or in your web browser and sign into the workspace where you want to use the integration. Once you're inside Slack, look at the left-hand sidebar. Depending on your layout, you may need to click More, or you may already see an Apps section. Open the app area, then use the search bar to look for Google Meet or simply type Meet. When the official Google Meet app appears in the directory, select it carefully to make sure you're choosing the correct app. Then click Add to Slack. Slack will take you to an authorization screen where you can review the permissions the app is requesting. Take a moment to read through those permissions so you understand what access is being granted. Then click Allow to install the integration into your workspace. After that, return to Slack. In the Apps section near the lower part of the left sidebar, click Google Meet to open its app page. You should see an onboarding message from the Google Meet bot. In that message, click the button labeled Connect or Authorize Account, depending on the version you see. A secure browser window will open so you can link your Google account. Sign into the Google account you want to use with Meet. This should be the account tied to the meetings you normally schedule or join. Once you're signed in, review the requested permissions and click Allow. At this point, the connection between Slack and Google Meet is complete. Now you're ready to launch a meeting directly from Slack. Go to any channel, direct message, or private conversation where you want to share the call. Click into the message box, type /gmeet, and press enter. Slack will generate a unique Google Meet room and post the meeting link directly into that conversation so the others can join right away. That's all it takes. Once set up, this can really streamline team communication and reduce the friction of starting a quick call